video with me, Sanabah. I'm not British. I'm American. America. Remember, if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at Sanabah Gaming. It would really mean a lot, guys. In a couple weeks, I will be streaming on Twitch, and that is for MLG tournaments. All right. Hope you guys can make it out for that. Let's just get it started and play some search and rescue. I know that the porn is here. He's no sees no cure. Who want? Okay, I've been getting a lot of comments lately on to do some quick scoping on Stormfront, so I'm gonna oblige to your wishes and do it. Because I'm Batman, obviously. And Joker can vouch for that. I am Batman.
Oh!
Did you just orgasm my pants like I did?
Search and rescue.
Suck my titties. Suck my titties.
Oh, we have titties now? Wow.
Alright. Like you guys wanted on the comments section, I am doing quick scoping. I don't know why you guys wanted this, but I'll do it. I'll just warn you right now, though, guys. I'm really bad at quick scoping.
You're not the only one.
Well, I mean, my viewers wanted me to do quick scoping in a video, so I mean. That was right on you, you little fucker.
Don't call me that, huh?
I'm muting your ass.
Thank you.
Why, huh?
No. Really?
Device is
Fine.
muted.
No, I'm not.
Bomb acquired. We about to blow up the spot.
Oh, you're the one who sucks.
Are you arguing with fucking Mickey Mouse over there?
Oh shit, the bomb has been planted.
Destroying
Dude, I just freaking muted his ass. Alright guys, we started a little late in this round, so we're gonna try to do one more round in this video.
Like 4 and winning.
Bro, that's a cool gamer tag.
God at the fucking top. Oh, you're a step to that, okay. Yes, they have.
Hi, Mickey. It's Goof.
I'm about 3 seconds. I am going to like just report Diviz sniping
No, you won't.
as hacking and cheating, trying to
No,
be
you won't.
Batman.
Okay, Joker, please stop.
I suck.
Joker, do me a favor and mute device sniping, please. I can hear the echo off your mic, bro. You know that the fuck is here
Ashy.
underneath my porn hub. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of porn, okay.
Joker sent me a message.
He did.
and rescue.
Joker, talk. Joker, talk. Oh my, Joker, please talk, bro.
Make the objective your bitch. Hell yeah, we got that bomb.
Well, I can't really tell them to like you, follow you on Twitter if you don't tell me what your fucking Twitter is. Joker, can you talk or no? Shake your head yes if you're nervous to talk on my video. You can't talk? Send me your Twitter via Xbox and I'll show them your Twitter.
Oh shit, the bomb has been planted.
She's no cure. Joker, I know you can talk because I can hear everything at your house.
I didn't go to school to defuse bombs. I'm an accountant.
Search and rescue.
And guys, if you do enjoy the YouTube video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at SantaBearGaming. As soon as we figure out what Joker's Twitter is, we'll follow him too. Alright, Joker, right after this game, we'll check out that right there. Alright, we'll check that out right now.
He's right there.
You guys may have heard me on Trollark channel. I'm a producer. Looking for the next best thing. So if you have a YouTube channel, send it to me. Send it my way. I could possibly promote you guys on Trollark.
Really? Do I have a YouTube channel? I'm recording right now, bro.
We coming out on top.
That voice is pretty good. Do you have a YouTube channel? Whoever's doing the Mickey voice.
Yeah, just mute him, dude. He's annoying.
Do you have a YouTube channel? If not,
Search and rescue.
D-Curve.
Destroy the objective. You feel me?
Sees no sees no cure. Bombs down up top, by the way.
Oh shit.
No, really?
Yeah, your character looks like a Payday character.
So what were you saying about YouTube channels, Decurve?
Wait, what's my name?
Decurve.
No, it's D-Curve.
Oh.
Decurve.
D-Curve.
Oh.
Watch out!
No, seriously, dude, I'm recording
What
right
about
now.
YouTube? You have a YouTube?
Yeah.
Fucked them up the way y'all kicking everybody in this motherfucker.
We smoke?
Lay back in the cut and turn your phone. Search and rescue. Keep them out your objective. Oh shit, the bomb.
Don't get my-
planet. Kill confirmed.
I fell. Again, guys, if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter at Santa Bear Gaming.
Bring them back, bring them back, bring them back.
Really means a lot, guys.
Bomb ain't
I
going
try
off now.
as hard as I can to make you guys
Really?
happy. Did you guys get ninja defused there?
No, it wasn't. Killed
You guys
the
cheated.
person.
Someone shut that freaking Mickey guy up.
You guys are cheating.
Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the YouTube video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.